Hi, it's Gordon at Paul Davis Restoration of Broward in North Miami. I want to make sure that you're aware that our office is now utilizing Matterport. We have 2 Matterport cameras and 2 photographers. We send them out at what we call the Matterpoint. And the great thing about it is we can put your adjusters in the home without ever having to leave their office. You'll find that we can actually give you a heads up on your losses, be them small or much more significant. We also use it for our own estimators. It's an excellent tool, and it's a great way to document what's going on out in the field without physically being there. So the Matterport imagery that we obtain, we actually can use it to develop crystal clear sketches in Xactimate. We can also use them to be imported into AutoCAD and actually create blueprints, which is super handy down here in South Florida. As you all know, the permitting process here is rather elaborate, and Matterport really helps us out a lot. I think you'll find it helps you too. If you're interested, give me a call. I'd like to send you an example. Have a great day.